Hello everyone, Pacer Rail Fanning here. I'm retaking the Oak Street tour video after the weather from last year. I got soaked in the end of the tour video at Oak Street last year, so let's get started with the tour video of the Oak Street Railroad crossing here in Wyandotte, Michigan. Let's get started. Here we got signal number 1. We got a Siemens cantilever. We got a Siemens gate mechanism. And we got Rico LED gate lights, and we got 8 pairs of GE uniform LED lights. We got a Siemens electronic bell, low pitch bell. Here is the emergency information, the dot number. The dot number is 867-588U. You can see the way this cantilever, back in 2008 when Owen 2 was here, this used to have a Harman cantilever and a Harman gate mechanism, and then sometime in the 2010s it was ripped out and replaced to a Satran gate mechanism. Sometime in 2019 the old Harman cantilever and the old gate mechanism was ripped out and this cantilever was installed. So back in 2008 the inner tracks used to have 12 by 24 inch Satran incandescent lights, incandescent east south western colonies mechanical bells. And these cantilevers had electronic bells, and then electronic bells were installed in 2012. And in 2017, Rail Fanning Midwestern 1998 was here when the old cantilevers were ripped out of here, and these ones were installed here at this crossing. So here is signal number 2. It has the Siemens cantilever. And the dot number is 511642A. And we got a Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell. And we got 8 pairs of 12 by 20 inch GE uniform LED lights. So this railroad crossing is very popular for many Michigan rail fanners to fan out and film trains here in Wyandotte, Michigan. This is very popular to fan out for many Michigan rail fanners. So Owen 2 and Nicholas R fan at this crossing. So here's signal number 3. And it has a Siemens cantilever. And it has 10 pairs of Satran GE uniform 12 by 20 inch LED lights, and we've got a Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell. Let's go to signal number 4, which is on this side of the crossing. You can see the tracks are spaced out pretty far apart here at Oak Street. I don't know why, but we got the Oak Street station and we got a museum building there. Alright, so here is signal number 4. When Nicholas R was here back in July 2019, he used to have a mechanical bell, but apparently that failed last year. It was replaced to a Siemens electronic bell, to a Siemens low pitch electronic bell. So here is the dot number for the east side is 258093M. And we got 4 pairs of Satran dialight LEDs, and we got 2 pairs of 12 by 24 inch incandescent lights. The front ones are 12 by 24 inch incandescent lights. And then on the back of the cantilever is 12 by 24 inch dialight LEDs. Yeah, you can see this thing makes a wide curve back up to Vinewood. Yeah. We got a WAPCO cantilever over there, so. Over here we got a WAPCO cantilever. As you guys can see, they replaced the 4-track sign with a brand new one. We got 12 by 24 inch State Train 12 by 24 inch State Train incandescent lights. We also got 12 by 24 inch dialight LEDs, State Tran. Here the gate mechanism base, we got a Siemens base, and we got a State Tran gate mechanism, and Rico LED gate lights, and a wing guard. Here is signal number 6. It has 8 pairs of GE uniform State Tran LEDs and 12 by 20 inch lights and State Tran light bracket. And we got a Siemens cantilever, and we got a Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell. Here's signal number 7. It's a Siemens cantilever. We got 8 pairs of State Tran 12 by 20 inch GE uniform LEDs. And we got a Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell as well. Here is signal number 8. Here's one of the original West Side Harmon cantilever signals. That is left at this crossing. So we got a Harmon cantilever. We got 12 by 24 inch State Tran dialight LEDs. And the front pair lights are 12 by 24 inch State Tran incandescent lights. And on the back pair are 12 by 24 inch State Tran dialight LEDs. And we also got the original State Tran Type 3 E-bell. So thank you guys so much for watching Pacer Rail Fanning here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully we'll get a train here at the Oak Street crossing here very soon, so stay tuned.